Radius Gold in the news here. Radius trades as RDU on the venture, RDUFF, OTC in the States. Got some good gold intersects here at the Amalia project, Chihuahua, Mexico. With me now, I've got the CEO, Simon Ridgway. Hey, Simon, appreciate you taking some time here. Why don't you run through the highlights of this one? Looks like some pretty good numbers for you.
Yeah, it's a pretty good one. It's a little lower grade than the ones above it. We've been cutting some very strong mineralization in this shoot. So hopefully this lower grade is just not a trend. It's just like gold. You hit one hole, you hit the next. So let's see. Pan American's the operator. They're drilling for us, earning in. They've got to pay us $1 million and spend several more millions to earn. I think they can go to 65% at the end of the day if they choose to. We retain 35% if they keep drilling these kind of holes. I'm sure they'll stay with it.
And this is one of your projects here. Why don't you take us through what Radius is doing towards year end and in the next year?
Yeah, we do basically we generate a lot of projects ourselves. We've made a lot of discoveries in Central America and Mexico over the last 10 years in various companies. Some of them, sometimes there are just a 500,000 ounce discoveries, so I sell them and keep the money. Use the money to keep the company financed. I haven't been back to the market to finance Radius since 2011. Constantly looking for that big discovery that'll make the company, a home run. So that's the name of the game. Try to keep it without diluting it, without going back to the market again and again. Keep it financed by making discoveries, and if they don't look like they can be a home run, then selling them and on to the next one. So I've got a good team of guys that have been with me for probably 15 years through various companies that we've had discoveries and sold the company, such as Mar West, and hopefully that'll be the end game for Radius when we make the right discovery. Maybe this is it, but I joint ventured it because I think it's a good discovery, but I don't think it's going to be the one it's going to take a lot of drilling to get it there. I like the ones where you start every hole you put in, you get a great hit, and the stock price just keeps rising. So we've got a number of other projects in Mexico that we're working on ourselves, 100% ownership, and hopefully in the new year we'll be putting out some news on those.